What's up guys, Zach Scott here playing Luigi's Mansion Dark Moon, and now it's time to move on to the Haunted Towers. Last time you checked in, we completely beat Gloomy Manor, so we're going to move on to the Haunted Towers right now. Level B-1, a job for a plumber. Our quest is taking us to a new location, Luigi. Aren't you excited? No, he's not. No? Oh, come on. Where's your sense of adventure, son? Our work is far from done. We need to get a handle on these ghosts, or who knows how far they'll spread. And there's only one way to fix this mess. Restore the Dark Moon and place it back up in the sky. My periscope has located the next piece somewhere in these haunted towers. They've been abandoned for some time now, so they're teeming with exotic plants and, naturally, ghosts. The towers are in bad shape and the water system seems to be broken. If only we had a plumber around here. That's me. You see, the Haunted Towers features a complex water system that powers all the machinery. So the first thing on your to-do list will be to check the hydro generator. This is getting complicated, but I'm a plumber, I can do this. My brother's also a plumber, but I'm probably a better plumber. I may not be a better plumber, I have no idea. Anyway, oh, and keep an eye out for new types of ghosts. That goes without saying. Good luck, young feller. Here we go, new types of ghosts. Sounds bad. Sounds really bad. But, you know, just the nature of the beast. We're getting pixelated and putting into this area. It looks pretty awesome on the 3DS. Looks pretty beautiful if you ask me. I hear werewolves or something. Guys, before we begin, I'd like to thank you guys. I almost forgot. Thanks for all the support that you guys have given me on this series so far. Over 50,000 views now on the first episode. Thanks so much. I obviously couldn't have gotten those without you guys. Thanks for all the likes and favorites. Luigi looks terribly worried. Haunted Towers entrance. Let's see, what kind of stuff can we vacuum up here? These guys like lights. If I can get it on them, they do. Booyah! Money. Alright. This one looks like it's already been. Whoa, a key, yeah! Hey! Hey! Ho! Probably gonna need that. Got a couple birds, or maybe one bird. Ooh, dirt pile right here. Let's examine it. Shake the tree. Holy crap. I gotta start doing that to real trees from now on. Shake the trees, get the gold bars. Oh, there's a red guy in the hydro generator room. Stop fiddling with that, you don't know what you're doing. He doesn't know what he's doing. Alright. It's like all of this. Seeing what some of this stuff is, like, who knows? Let's go through here. Thankfully I got that key. Haunted Towers entrance. Going on through. This looks pretty cool. Can giant leaves be vacuumed? Looks like they can. Whoa, that money went everywhere. Man, geez Louise. Okay. Ew. That was close. I don't know if I was supposed to do that or what, but I got it. What? These little frog-like things are coming out with them. It's kind of weird. Oh, what? Can I aim? Can I aim these somewhere? What's the deal with this? Okay, I have no idea what that's for at the moment. I'm just flashing my flashlight right afterwards in case one of those weird looking frog things happens again. understand what's going on. Crap, am I supposed to do something with this? Oh, wow. Got it. Nice. Yeah, I broke that one. Is there another one to do that too? I just realized this. This is awesome. Oh, come on. Line up with it properly. Yeah, got it. Not sure if there's any other goal here or what. Let's go this way. That's where it wants me to go. Oh, hey. Oh, God. Oh, that was close. I didn't have to even fight him. Oh, dear. What was this? Hold on, let's find out what this is all about. I'm getting a call. Professor Egad, I got caller ID. Just as I feared, the hydro generator seems to be in good condition, so the water pump must be clogged. Why don't you check the water supply on the roof? Oh, that sounds great. Yeah, let's do that. Check the hydro generator. Anything here interesting at all? Oh yeah. A golden key. Nice. Anything else? Can I go? Can I walk on past here? Oh, there's something here. Look kind of dark. Oh, shoot, it's alarm. Hey, what? Why are these things hurting me? I don't like that. Right. Oh no! A 1 and a 2, and we all love Mambu except for you. Where's it going? Hey, don't make fun of me. Boom! That's a strong one. I'm gonna try to pick. God, he's going everywhere. Did that not do the trick? Here we go. Oh yeah, that's bound to do some good. Gotcha. And ghost busted. Boo found for this level. Oh, indeed. All right. Anything else here? Sometimes it's hard to see. I'm glad I checked there, though. That's awesome. No, I know. It's locked, isn't it? Is there anything to do with this? Doesn't look like there is. Let's go out. So far, I like this new mansion. I like all the greenery surrounding it. Courtyard. I'm betting you this is locked over here, but... Wait, is there a... Alright, let's, can I go this way? What? That was cool. Did this do anything? Yes! Do I want to go this way? Doesn't look like I have that opportunity. That's okay. Let's go this way. I know I can go this way, or I hope I can go this way, rather. I got a key, after all. Nice. I don't like these frog guys. Got him. Whoa. Oh, can I not go back up? Okay, that's what this is for, right? There we go. Okay, perfect. was gonna check over here. I thought, yeah, I thought so. Did I just pull out a freaking weed or something? What was that?
Whoa.
Whoa. Is there any way up here? They're really into limiting my options here on travel. Let's take this again. If I can just figure out the controls for a second, that would be ideal. And in here, whoa. Oh, Jesus, what was that? The ghost playing tricks on me? Wow. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be doing here. I got a bone! Hey, got a bone! Dang it. Oh, I see you. God dang, I missed him. I was really hoping to not miss him, but I see what he's trying to pull here. Trying to make things a little awkward. Jesus. God, this guy is very fast. What the hell did I just do? Did I just break that? Oh, I knew you were there, though. Oh, come on. Yeah. Busted. Oh, that wasn't the last one, though. Oh, it's two of them? Gotchas.
I do it.
I do it. Alright, what about this up here? I don't know the benefit of... Oh god, it's raining money. Plants made out of money. This is awesome. Alright. Alright, anything else here going on? Nope, we look like we've exhausted this fairly well. Anything over... Can we take a peek out here? Oh, geez, they're jumping at my face. This little plant there. Alright. Now we enter through here. So what is this? Oh, it's to the outside area. The West Garden. This looks creepy. Okay, I'm not sure what that's all about. Yeah, I really don't know what this is all about because it seems like this thing is just blocking me. I'm not sure what to do with it. Maybe I'll get like a garden tool that I can dig up this thing or something later. I don't know. Oh, or maybe I can use this. Nope. Okay, I really don't know what this is all about. Maybe I'll find out sometime later. Oh, there's always that. What is that? Oh, there's a gem down there or something. Ow. Dang it. Dang it. Oh my god. Alright. Here we go. Oh jeez. Oh, those are hearts. I was like, oh god, what are those? How do I get down there? That's what I want to know. I obviously see that there is a gem down there. Ah, there we go. Yeah, first one for this stage too. Awesome. Taking my time a little bit, guys. Thanks for bearing with me. Having a lot of fun though, playing this game. This is probably, what was that? Gotchas. All right. So did that, all that did is release, did that only release, I'm curious, I gotta go check. Did that have any effect out here? No, it did not. Sorry. I wasn't sure. I thought maybe the water valve released something or something, but obviously I was wrong. I deeply apologize. But wait, oh, dang. Oh, jeez. I don't like this. They look pretty hungry. Go ahead and eat those guys. I don't want them. Now they see me. Not sure what I'm supposed to do. Okay, yeah, I don't get it. Oh, I see now. Hold up. Just eat it. He hates it. Two dead plants. Yeah! Plant assassin. Hold on. Anything else in here? Who knows? I'm gonna get this key. This key is good enough for me. Just one coin. What is that gonna do? It's causing a drip. Now, I gotta know, after killing those plants, did something down below open up? Like maybe their roots have disappeared now that they're dead. And again, I don't know if that's the case, but I gotta check. Nope, just as bad as before. Okay, sorry guys. Gotta, like, part of playing this game is exploration and trying to figure out puzzles. This game is heavily puzzle based, and so, you know, any idea that I come up with, you know, if I feel like, you know, it's gonna be the solution to a problem, I'm probably gonna try to go through with it. So this has been done right there. And this takes me up top. And that's a drop down, which I don't think I want to do. I don't think I'm prepared to do that. All right, let's see what is next. Oh dear. Oh, whoa. Oh wow, I don't know what that is. But it looks really scary. Don't tell me they're flying near me. Oh my god. Duck, Luigi. Okay. Jesus. Let's go. Oh god, come on. Just trying to get through this. Alright, thank god I had a key for that. Heck yeah! Oh, there's still some problems here. Oh god, two of them? Watch out! Gotcha! Shoot! Dang it! Ugh. These guys are really violent. Come and get me. Try to get me. Oh god, another ghost? Come on, I wasn't even done with these two. Let's get him. Take a swing. Come get me. Leave me alone, mice. Alright. Got him. Room cleared. Hopefully I'm not taking too much damage, but it's hard to tell. Something there? Looks like there's a spider web there. Maybe there's not. It's really hard for me to tell what's what right now. Whoa! What the heck am I doing in this room? It's like a jail cell. Alright, what's up, Professor? Luigi, that substance stuck in the poltergust 5000. Why don't you try to create a balloon with it? Okay, I can do that. That sounds great. So wait. Okay, what button do I push?
Hello.
Okay,
Hello.
I don't remember the controls already. Ah, there we go. Oh, this is great. Let's go down really quick. This is quite wonderful. How can I get in there? It looks like, oh, something's over there. Holy crap. I got a gem. Wowie. So cool. It's like a freaking balloon party in here. Well, where am I going though? Let's check this room out. Why don't we? Yes. Ah! One more left. Give me all my money. Some sort of goop there. Get rid of these weeds. This does look important. What? Oh god. Some sort of puzzle, okay. Oh, what? Is it a ghost? Is it a ghost? It is a ghost. Well, what do I do with this ghost? There we go. Let's just suck him in really quick. Yeah. That's one. And this is two. What is that not? Oh wait, I gotta get it full of, oh I know. I know the problem, this needs to be heavier. Well now it's full, right? Okay, maybe it is. Such a puzzle, such a mystery. There we go. And if I stick here, stand here. Okay, we gotta time these or something. Come on, I was doing it. Don't interrupt me.
Yellow.
I know the puzzle. Hey, youngster, what's the matter? Having a hard time? No, I'm not. Yeah, I know. There we go. Perfect. I was gonna try that eventually. If it would just let me. Nice. There's a gold bar behind there. I didn't even explore until later. Well, there we go. Ha ha ho ho. The generator's working again. Now I can go in there. Man, these ghosts. Where are you going, ghosts? Okay, they're just having fun. Not a big deal. I don't mind when ghosts have a little bit of fun. Water is now flowing through the mansion. And these ghosts are really having a blast. For better or worse. Alright, did it. What's up now?
Oh. Yellow.
Yellow. Fantastic job, youngster. The water flow is slowly normalizing. Hold on, I'll pixelate you out of there in just a minute.
I do it.
Alright. Uh-oh. Why wait a minute? You could have done it now. Oh no. Oh no. Yep, Luigi is definitely scared of whatever's in here. Whatever's made out of urine. Here we go. Oh no. I don't know what to do yet. Oh, he has a lot of... Oh, come on. Wrong way. Don't do that. Dang it. Oh, I got him. Oh, let me collect. Oh, don't fall. I also know there's gold behind there, but he's gonna teleport me away, isn't he? Can I hang up on him? Oh, good job dealing with that rather rotund ghost. I'm bringing you back. Hold on to your hat. All right, well, this was indeed a job for a plumber. Yes.
I did it.
I did it. Luigi did it. Mission complete. Let's see how I did. Clear time 22, ghost captured 11, health loss 50. What am I at? 2 stars, not bad. And I also captured the boo, and I got 2 gems. I don't know how many gems were in this level, but maybe that was enough. I don't know. Let's go back. Being pixelated. Let's see what Professor Egad has to say about my findings. All right. Da-da-da-da. Great job, Luigi. Let's see that new ghost. New gem collected. Nice, it's green, like me. New ghost collected. New boo collected. Lots of treasure. Not quite there to 10,000, but maybe in a couple more levels I will have that 10,000 upgrade. He's clapping for me. I did a good job. Well, I've never seen that kind of ghost before. And good job restoring the water flow. If this whole ghost hunting thing doesn't work out, you may have a future as a plumber. You'll be happy to know that the Haunted Tower's water system is now completely functional. I also have news regarding the Dark Moon piece. But why don't you take a break? You're looking a little soggy. Thanks. Maybe I will take a break. Come back next time for more Luigi's Mansion Dark Moon, and thank you so much for watching. Up next is B2, the Pinwheel Gate. Goodbye. I'm Zach Scott. Subscribe if you have not. If you like this video and want to help this channel grow, all you got to do is click the like button below. Thanks so much for watching, and check out these other awesome videos. See you next time.